In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Zoho CRM. Whether you're creating a full backup for safety, migrating to another system, or just want an offline copy of your information, exporting your data properly is an important habit to build. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you know where to click, what each option means, and how to finish the process confidently. Let's start inside your Zoho CRM account on the main screen. To begin a full data export, you'll first go into the Setup area. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is the Setup icon, and it's where Zoho keeps all the configuration and administration tools. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the Setup page. Once the Setup page loads, you'll see several sections organized by category. Here, you want to look for the area labeled Data Administration. This is where Zoho groups all the tools related to managing, importing, and exporting your records. Under Data Administration, click on Export. This tells Zoho that you're working specifically with exporting data out of your CRM rather than bringing data in. On the Export page, you'll see options related to backing up your CRM data. What we want here is a complete export, also known as a full backup. Find and click on the option called Request Data Backup. This step lets Zoho know you want a full copy of your data generated. Depending on your account and permissions, Zoho may show details such as how often backups are allowed or when the last backup was requested. After you request the backup, Zoho will prepare the data files in the background. When the system is ready, you'll see an option to download the backup. Click on Download immediately to start downloading the exported data to your computer. Typically, Zoho will provide this as a compressed file, which you can then unzip to access the individual spreadsheets or files for each module. Once the download has started successfully, you're essentially done. You can close out of the export window and return to your main CRM pages. It's a good idea to store this backup file in a secure location, such as an encrypted drive or a trusted cloud storage service, especially if it contains sensitive customer or business information. And that's the full process for exporting all your data in Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you ensure you always have a safe, complete copy of your information whenever you need it.